Tripathi from IIT BHU, Professor B.S. Panda from IIT Delhi. They are all the academicians. They are the member of Board of Studies of my school. And Professor Ashish Mishra, the head of OSS Amdocs India, Professor Parthu Chakrabarti from Ericsson, and our Mr. Shashi Bhargavan is the Senior Vice President Datamatics Mumbai. They are representing from the industry. Plus, we have 13 members from the school as well as the university who are the members of Board of Studies. They basically do the revision of the syllabus. The administrative point of view, we have 110 very strong, you can say, dedicated faculty members. Also supporting staff, technical assistant, teaching assistant, that is 90. So it is a 200 what the strength of our school. I mean the staff point of view. And the middle, myself, Samresh Mishra, and all my that is left. Your right is Dr. B.S. Mishra is the dean of the school. Dr. Suresh Chandra Satpathy is the dean of research, and Dr. Amulya Swami is the program head of BTech CSE, and Dr. Arup Avinach is the program head of IT, and Dr. S.K. Tripathi is the program head of your MTech program. And Dr. J.B. Mund is the chairperson of School Compliance Cell. Dr. Manoj Mishra is the chairperson of School Compliance Cell. School Board of Studies is chairperson Dr. J.B. Mund. And Dr. Anuj is our deputy controller. And Dr. Tanmay is our associate in TNP Cell. And Mr. Sujay Dutt and Ms. Bhashwati Sahu, both are your assistant control of examination who can help you. I mean, these are the key personnel regarding our academic administration. And Mr. Parthasarathi Mahapatra, the senior administrative officer, and Uma Shankar, both are attached to the first year. They handle the first year administrative point of view. And Ms. Kalyan Tripathi, she is the executive of compliance cell. Remember, compliance cell is a single window for the students. And coming to the first year curriculum, we have mathematics 1, chemistry, professional communication, biology, computer programming, chemistry lab, language lab, engineering graphics, all are in the first semester. Second semester, mathematics to physics, basic electrical engineering, analog electronic circuits, then physics lab, basic electrical, analog, basic manufacturing, environmental science. I mean, this is the scheme for your computer science engineering, civil and electrical engineering students. And our Professor Krishna Chakravarti, she will tell you, she is the faculty course coordinator of the computer programming. And we have 28 faculty members we have allotted for this course. The assessment already it must have been shared by our control of examination, Dr. Pani yesterday. The midterm is 50 and end term is 50. And midterm, it is activity based learning, 30 mark your activity. So that means there is a continuous part of learning. Similarly, the activity we basically highlight on the problem solving, critical thinking, your quiz as well as your creation. And this is the way we have distributed our programs. I mean, entire syllabus consists of core programs, very, very important this point. And program electives, we have 15 credit we have given. That means 5 subjects are elective subjects. There is a wide, the baskets of the subjects are available. And open electives, you can take subjects offered by the other schools. Your project internship, we have increased the credit, that is called 14 credit. Basic science, 27 credit. Basic engineering science is 26 credits. Your humanities management, 12 credits. Honors, 9 credits, those who would like to go for honors. And minor means you can take subjects offered by the other schools. That is also 20 credits maximum. And remember, many students ask me questions are, do you have a big data? Do you have a artificial intelligence? Do you have IoT? Do you have your machine learning? Let me tell you, all subjects are there in all the 4 years. You don't have any chance to learn the first year, in fact, but second year onwards, all the branch subjects will start. And the minor we provide for, the civil and electrical, let me tell you, the computer engineering, the software engineering, the data analytics and information security, both theory as well as laboratory consist of 20 credits and honors is 9 credits. This is the key points of the curriculum. As I told you, the curriculum is based on the recommendation of IEEE SCM, the Joint Task Force of Computing curricula supported by NBA, your AICT, your IIT UK, as well as industry requirements. And right combination of courses like from humanities, basic science, basic engineering, computer science, as a core, department elective, open elective, institute electives, and minor. Your programming point of view, we have C, C++, Java, Oracle, R programming, your mobile applications using Android, then your data structure, your DBMS, operating system, networking, computer graphics, compiler design, data analytics, your cloud computing, and all are etc. are the laboratory we have in the entire syllabus. The industry perspective point of view, we have software engineering, database engineering, your data mining, data analytics, your software testing, your IoT, object-oriented system design, computational intelligence, artificial intelligence, machine learning, software project management, cloud computing, cyber security, all are there. Industry collaboration electives also offered by the school, like your mobile applications, your cloud technology by Ericsson India, your enterprise computing like SAP using ABAP programming from KPIT, and all are supported by the TNPSL. The project will start from the 6th semester, and the total credit for project and internship is 14 credits. And the curriculums, as I told you, also support the student to go for internship as well as for what? Higher studies. And we have key points like you have 2 centers of excellence, IoT and data analytics, and your projects are primarily based on web-based applications. Your product oriented using IoT, machine learning, data analytics, and your research-based projects also students are doing. Internship, summer-based training is also available in 2nd and 3rd year. Semester abroad program is there. Our students, they went to, 2 consecutive years to Nanwa University for semester abroad, that is called program. They learn one semester from there, and support for publication, patent and entrepreneurship. So let me tell you, our students nowadays, the publications are very good. Student also publish their patent, fine. Student also involved in entrepreneurship. The projects, school supports different type of projects like Technovision, that is called intra-university project contest organized by our school. Every year we conduct project innovation contest. That means we invite the students of different part of India as well as outside India, those they participate in the project contest. And that we do basically in the month of February. And Project Expo is a final year Project Expo. This time we got around 300 projects. And all projects they are displayed. You see just snapshots I have taken for you. These are the project for the display by the students. And the foreign student, the school is having so many students. Around 300 students are foreign students are there. Like our students from Ethiopia, Yemen, Syria, your Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan, your your Mongolia, Nigeria, Afghanistan, Guinea, Kenya. You will have a very good experience, not only to interact the students of different part of the country, almost all states, but also you can have interaction with the foreign students. So that is the beauty of the campus of your KIIT. Coming to the academic, this year 2020, the 7 patents applied and already 17 patents are published in 2020. It's a very good achievements, and approximately 250 plus high-end research publications every year we have, and 40 plus books also produced by our faculty members. And let me tell you, there is a student adoption program where we want those who are interested in research, they can join with research with any faculty of their choice. They can lead their research work. These are the conference school every year conduct or organize 3 international conference, 3 to 4. And last time also the 53rd Computer Science of India, the convention we conducted, Computer Society of India. And the HR conclave, this time we have conducted the I4CS, first time they conduct in India, that in KIT. It is one of the European conference. And the most prestigious conference, that is called ISEC on software engineering. It is one of the most prestigious conference that also we are going to organize in KIT in the February 21. So our Siddharth Swarup Rautray, Mansa Pandey, they are leading the data and analytics lab. The IoT lab is headed by your Dr. Jitendra as well as Mr. Sankalp Naik. These are some of the prototypes developed by the IoT lab. These are the prototypes are developed by your data analytics. Once you reach what campus, you will have interaction. You can know what type of work being carried out by those labs. You can join also. These are some of the outcomes, the publications. And these are the student chapters, your IIT, SCM, IEEE, Computer Society of India. And another, nowadays everybody is going for the online classes. People are developing their online materials. In fact, we all, because of this pandemic situation, but let me tell you, there are many faculty of the school, they published so many, you can say, video lectures. And one of the faculty, let me tell you, Lalit Basista, he is a man from UP and from the IIIT Allahabad, fine. And he has prepared so many slides. And yesterday I just checked from the YouTube, I found 13,32,221 viewers already viewed their the PPTs. You see the achievement, 13 lakhs is not a small achievement. And it is not only from India, US, Pakistan, Germany, Canada, UK, South Korea, Thailand, Malaysia, Bangladesh, Ethiopia. It is not only one faculty, there's so many faculty members right now, they're developing materials. Many of them they're uploading. So that also you can get once you connect, then the placement is outstanding as far as my school is concerned. And this time also 4-5 days, I got 3 students got 25 lakhs package. It all depends your also, it is not only the company which are coming, almost all companies are visiting. I said 100 plus companies, IT based companies are coming, but it depends on your effort. It is not the institute, the good course or syllabus or the education, also your effort also very, very important to get the what, to crack the placement. So these are some achievement of our students. You see one student, Mohit Kumar, also receiving the prize from our Honorable Vice President of India. And your hackathon also, Odisha Smart Hackathon, out of 5 categories, 2 categories are backed by our school students. And Smart India Hackathon, every year students are achieving the what, the prizes. These are the student groups who got first prize at Chennai zone and Bhubaneswar zone. And your in fact the alumni achievements, our Shoaib Misra is the grandmaster, the school of computer engineering. Kiran Manisha Mohanty also what, the grandmaster also of the belonging to our school. And Miss Archita Sahu, the Indian actress, and she is a very, very popular Odia actress, also a student of the IT, the school of our computer engineering. And your Utkarsh Rai, he was one of the alumni, and he did from University of Toronto. In fact, he was the member of governing council of University of Toronto. And another very good news, the Lalit Patel, one of 2006 pass out computer science student, is the co-founder of the Bass Gaming, where 1 million people they play every day. So these are the, I can say, the achievements, some of the very few achievements I have identified for the alumni. In fact, my faculty Kumar Devdutt also, he participated in the cycling, fine, and from Bhubaneswar to Kathmandu, and school opened the Republic Day. Your Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, you see the school they participate. And NSS wing is very, very strong for my school. More than 500 students, they are the members. They are doing so many projects. You see some of the snapshots I have taken, like your blood group, handicraft exhibition, happiness concert, fine. And this is called your National Unit Day celebration by the school and faculty. This is the Teachers Day celebration, NCC cadet, your induction program, 1 week development program, your CSI students after activities, your the books, some of the books published. As I told you, 40 plus books are being published. These are the important visitors. From the computer area, from international visitors as well as national visitors who have visited recently. I've just listed some of the photographs. They come, they deliver talks. The student can encase the experience of those people. And student support, like we have a tutor mentoring system. You will interact your tutor mentors tomorrow. And school compliance cell is a single window concept. There is a TNP cell at the school. Career guidance, training placement, all you must know yesterday. Your activity center also yesterday, you must learn. Your library, we have a very good central library. That is one of the best library, I can say, one of the best library in the country we have. In addition to that, also every school, they have their own library. And your sports complex, your food court, cashless card, NCC, NSS, your research sponsorship, kit merit scholarship, teaching assistantship, in-house project sponsorship, TBI, all are there. TBI, one of the best TBI in the Eastern India also we have in the KIT. And our attendance also, your SAP through, that is called LLCM online, your continuous evaluation. Innovation best practices, I can say, flexibility in curriculum, because as a university, we can go and change whatever is required. Also in the middle of the your BTech program, dedicated campus, we have our own library, research publication, academic audit, e-evaluation, pre-placement training. These are some of the what are best practices and center of excellence. And most important, let me tell the last slide, you say connect. You have to connect yourself. As a student, whatever you know, it is not so that much important, because whenever you are going and interacting with people, people never want to know how much you have scored. People may want, okay, you are a good scorer. But people want to know how much you know, how you are answering this question. That's why you have to connect yourself. Now, my advice to all of you, connect our founder, Professor Achyut Samant, his your Facebook. Every day you go to the Facebook so that you can know what is happening in KIT. The general current affairs of KIT you can get to know in detail if you are referring some of the websites, whatever I said. One is our founder's website and the website of KIT, our KISS, the Twitter of our honorable founder. Once you are visiting, because he never share any personal things. If he is a member of parliament, he never said, he share most of things only about the KIT and KSS, about the student, about the achievements. So once you are connected, every day you just give 5 minutes to go through those social media, you will get bunch of information about the KIT. So whenever you are going to outside interacting some people may ask a question about the KIT as a student of KIT. Once you're answering, that is your credibility. People know, okay, the student is very, very smart. So that's I just shared those things you can go through. And the last one is our school website. Fine. Also, we have our Facebook as well as Twitter account. And these are the important connecting your website, your Facebook, Twitter. And as a director, you can write to me, director.csit, or you can write to dean.csit, the Dr. BSP Misra, and the single window is called your compliance cell. That also you can write down. At the end, I want to give a quote. The quote is that if you want to go fast, go alone. But if you want to go far, I mean, if you want to go a long journey, then you have to go together. And remember, once you join, you are our student. There is a ownership. And you never feel yourself alone. Let me tell you, it is not myself is with you, entire university is with you. All faculty members are with you. All staff members are with you. Entire support system is with you. That means we want you people not only to run fast, but you have to go a long distance. So that's my best wishes to all of you. I wish you a very, very wonderful learning ahead in KIT. And I wish you all the best, as well as my regards to your parents. Thank you all. I would like to request